Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Arabic keyboard on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my settings on my Samsung Galaxy phone, and we need to activate Arabic keyboard to add Arabic keyboard to our Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, here you can go to the general management setting right here. And in this general management, you will be able to set up your keyboard. You can go to the Samsung keyboard setting. Okay, and then you're going to select the languages and types and go to the manage input languages. Okay, and here you need to download Arabic Arabic language, so you can add Arabic keyboard to your Samsung Galaxy phone. Here are the available languages, the languages that you can use for your keyboard. And as you can see that there are some types of Arabic keyboard, Arabic language. You can choose Egypt and then Morocco, Levant, and it's up to you. You can choose the type of the Arabic language that you want. And here I have downloaded the Arabic language. The downloaded language will appear right here, and after you have downloaded the language, you will be able to activate the language for your keyboard. As you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 downloaded languages, and I can choose all of them if I want. And here I have selected English and also Korean, and I'm going to add Arabic as well to my keyboard. Okay, now the Arabic keyboard has been activated, and now it's time to check the result. I'm going to type in Arabic using my keyboard. Okay, this is my normal keyboard. And then if we want to switch from one language to another language, we just need to swipe left like this or swipe right. You can swipe left or right. Okay, and this is for the Arabic keyboard. And you will be able to type in Arabic using your Samsung keyboard. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add Arabic keyboard on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.